Hey everybody, Sam Kavaris in the Nimnicht Chevrolet Sports Update. A lot of talk about JU and UNF in the last couple of weeks, and rightly so. At this point, UNF still trying to fight for that ASUN Tournament Championship and the automatic bid as part of the first four in the NCAAs. They got there last year, they got beat in the first round, but boy, that's a big step for them to get there. Might be that Tony Jasick might have done the best job of anybody, though, even though Matthew Driscoll won the Coach of the Year. Jasick had his team at 16-16. If you look at who his projected lineup was for this coming year, virtually the top three guys didn't play all year long because of a variety of problems, including injuries. So maybe still good, solid things in the future for both teams and both schools. We'll see. You know, Driscoll seems to be really building a program and has a pipeline of recruiting. Jasick is trying to do that at JU and stay competitive as well. But congratulations to both schools for that as well. We heard from Tiger Woods yesterday. We haven't heard from Tiger in what seems like forever. In fact, the joke was at that Ryder Cup thing at Jack Nicklaus's house last week. Guy said, "Hey, I thought you were dead." Tiger said, "Yeah, everybody thinks I'm dead." He's not. He hit balls in his basement. And he tweeted out a video of that. But when is he going to play again? Nobody knows. How competitive will he be? It's hard to say. You know, and what's interesting is that golf continues to flourish. Good ratings on television, huge crowds, continued interest in the game, and the competitiveness of the top guys in the game now really has brought more fans to the game as well. So, do they miss Tiger? Tiger was the right guy at the right time to kind of drag that sport into a whole different millennia and a whole different era. The guys now are playing at such a high level and competitive every week that even if Tiger comes out, he's not going to scare anybody off the leaderboard, and all those guys think they can take him on and beat him on a regular basis. If he is to win again, and certainly if he is to win a major, he will have to win it. He is not going to scare anybody into letting him run away with a title. Free agency for the NFL starts March 9th, and that's when general managers can really start negotiating. The announcements can be made March the 15th. There are some players out there that are on the Jaguars' radar who are available. Alex Mack, Mario Williams, Matt Forte. There are guys out there that you've heard of that Dave Caldwell says the Jaguars will spend money on a very different kind of player this year. So those recognizable names who have had solid seasons and maybe are on the backside of their career are all part of the thought process with the Jaguars as they move forward. More on that as we get a little closer. For now, I'm Sam Kavaris, and that's the Nimnicht Chevrolet Sports Update.